They thought that they were being careful, they thought that they were being clever, that they have covered all the traces, every little detail, every information, and their own motives. But there is a reason why Lord Narasimha's energy is present today in this message. Because something that was hidden before has reached its expiration date. And let me tell you, when I was meditating before, I saw lion before my eyes, and my guide said that you who are watching this video right now, you are going to be blessed with strength, with courage, with fierceness, because you are a kind of soul who need protection. Because Lord Narasimha's energy only present when toxicity has reached its peak, when things are getting out of control. And right now, you guys need a strong boundary. There are things in this message that are going to expose something that you didn't know before, and it could be uncomfortable to hear, but this is the truth. Because Lord Narasimha's energy doesn't gently show the truth, it shows what needed to be shown in the correct timing. So, let me start what you guys need to hear, because I am literally feeling teary, like I am getting tears, because I could feel that you guys have attracted a lot of people in your life, or you guys met people with who you are very nice with them, but in return those people always were insecure with you. Those people were always competitive with you, and you even cautioned yourself that why do these people, you know, they don't accept me? Why do these people see me as someone who is their competitor? But let me tell you, that is what shows that you have a kind soul, and you are someone who is blessed with empathy. And people don't understand it, people only see it as a weapon to use against yourself. And this has been happening for a while, and it has reached its limit. Like, your kindness couldn't be used as a weapon against yourself. Your empathy is one of your biggest traits, which is being blessed by God, which is being given to you by the universe. And people who think that it is like literally a weapon to use against you, they are literally doing the grave mistake of their life. Like, you guys are the people who are connected to God, who are being protected by God. And if they mess up with your hurt, if they try to hurt you in a way that you don't deserve, of course, the fierce protector Lord Narasimha's energy will be present to protect you. Of course, there will be disruptions. Of course, that there will be consequences of their actions. And today we are going to discover that, because enough is enough. Your kindness should be rewarded with empathy, with kindness in return, and not with manipulation, not with taking names, not with gossips, not with, you know, just being someone who is taking advantage of you. So, in this moment, We are literally invoking Lord Narsimha's energy in this message, and my guides are saying that something about grass. My guides are saying that if you see peacock somewhere, that is a sign for you. And let me pull out some card. Someone is going to bless you with their words in the coming days. Like it could be a blessing or a very nice wish for you. Out of nowhere, someone will show you gratitude. And let me tell you, it is a sign from universe that they are showing you that no, your empathy is not your weakness. It is not something to feel like that it is a curse. Like you might feel guilty about being a soft hearted person, to always thinking about others, for helping others, but this is not your weakness, my guides are saying. And yes, there is a really important need for you to have boundaries right now, but I think that a major disruption is going to happen. And these things that are getting out of control, these people who have been obsessed with your life, who have been trying to put you in guilt trip, who are trying to create distraction in your life, who are trying to sabotage your uh, situation, your dreams, they are going to get very fast results, because Narsimha's Lord Narsimha's energy is not something that will easily forgive, or that is a kind of deity that will say that forgive and forget. No, we are going to talk about consequences, we are going to talk about boundary, and we are going to talk in the language that they will understand. So let me pull out some cards because things are getting really, really like straight. My guides are saying journey, something about journey. You might be going on a journey, or there is a chapter, there is a lesson that is ending in your life. Okay, there is something about white light. There is something about your aura, your energy, your the pureness of your soul. I'm seeing someone who is very pure soul, someone who needs to be protected at all cost. And that is why your guardian angels, that is why higher powers are interfering to protect you, because you needed it. These people are literally stalking your social media accounts. These people are very, very obsessed with whatever going on in your life, what progress did you made. They want to know everything, because if they don't get tea on you, what you are doing in your life, it makes them anxious. Your boundary makes them defensive. Like they think that whenever they hear about your progress and whenever they hear about what you are doing in your life, it gives them certain kind of control, it gives them the leverage to compare their life with yours. And I think that right now they are losing their power over you. Okay, I think that you guys, in order to protect yourself, you guys went into the mode where you guys became a lot more introvert. You guys started to hide things from people and keep things private. That is a good thing, but don't let it restrict yourself too much in a way that is creating hindrance on your path, and making like good opportunities, like stopping good opportunities to come at you. And I think that your guides are saying literally that you need to make sure that you are visible in a good way, that you are approaching things with a positive way. And yes, keeping things private is a good thing, but also there are situations where you need to be visible in order to attract right opportunities in your life. There are certain choices that will come to you in the coming time that you need to make, that could be difficult for you to make, but please remember that whatever path you choose, Lord Narsimha's energy is with you. They are protecting you fiercely at this point because you needed that protection, because you have a very white pure soul, like white energy, pure soul energy. And there is something about you reaching the final destination. My guides are saying final destination. So glad for you guys. I'm so glad for you. Okay. In the coming days, you need to hear a more. Like you need to be a good listener. Like what people are saying to you, or what you hear randomly, there are answer hidden in that. Those words represent something to you. Like if you hear something randomly and later when you think about it and you feel like, oh, this makes sense, that kind of moment will happen to you. And yeah, my guides are saying music, something about music. If you hear some kind of music and some kind of lyrics, that my guides are saying that some kind of lyrics will literally stuck in your mind, and it keep getting replayed in your mind, because something about the words that are holding meaning for you, some kind of hidden message for you. I don't know from where I'm hearing this, but something about kundalini energy. I don't know from where I heard this, but you guys might be working on that or doing something related to kundalini energy. Literally, I just saw a flower from the decoration drop down when I saw, when I literally told you about kundalini energy. And my guides are saying that there is a way in which you could use your specific knowledge, that you could create something um, that will help you in future, like some kind of opportunity. Okay, okay. In 3 months, some kind of opportunity that will come to you. And I'm seeing someone who is working with crystals. I'm seeing someone who is mm, doing aromatherapy or wearing lot of sands, interested in wearing sands and different kind of smells and fragrance. And there's certain kind of glow up that will happen in your life. I'm seeing lot of purple color. Yeah, I'm seeing the crystal amethyst. Third eye chakra activation in your life. Number 3 or number 6, because 3 is repeating. You guys will do something that will put you in a place where you will be inspiration for others. Like, I'm seeing someone who is doing something, like creating their manifestation into reality. And my guides are saying that things that are right now being stuck in your life, they will slowly start working out, which is a very good sign. Because all these negative things, all these things that is happening for you, all these people talking behind your back and doing negative things, I think that they will literally remove themselves from your life by you not doing anything, because there is this disruption, there is this divine interference that is happening. And some of them, these people, they literally think that if they create your image in public or in the social circle as a person who is toxic, like they play the victim card and create your personality as a person who is toxic, they will achieve more than you and they will get ahead in the competition with you. But in the coming 3 months, they will literally hit a rock bottom, and everything that they are doing to trap you, it will literally lead them to a path of destruction, and you will hear about it. Because I think that someone is about to get their karma in the situation, whoever is doing wrong. Okay. And I'm also hearing that you don't have to get your hands dirty at all. You don't have to. Because Lord Narsimha's energy is like creating this kavach, this protection around you. And from kavach, I'm hearing, please hear Lord Narsimha's kavach. That will be like really good for you. What I hear is that I hear Lord Narsimha's Pratingara Kavach, which is really good. I hear it a lot. And whenever you want to like bring his protection, just call upon his name. Even calling upon his name will, invoke his presence in your life. Like he's already supporting you, whether you know it or not. So whenever you will try to connect with him, he will always reach out first. So what you have to do is just ask for his blessing, ask for his guidance and protection, and there will be support on the way. And let me tell you, Lord Narsimha's energy is protecting you right now, because I think that you must have recently did something, or you must have asked for courage, for strength in your prayers, which led you to the path that is connecting you to Lord Narsimha's, because he is a very fierce deity of protection and divine interference. So that is why I think a lot of disruption will happen in your life before everything will make sense, and everything will come into a place where you understand it deeply. And right now I am also hearing one advice, that make sure that you are keeping yourself grounded, and you are also I'm hearing incense, something about incense. And we just had a card of aromatherapy or something about smells and incense. And I'm hearing you could literally do incense therapy, like sage cleaning, something like that, that will help you. And let me tell you, sage cleaning is a real thing. Like, you could do it anytime, and you can clean your energy field and your house energy too. So that's it for today's message. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please do comment Jan Narsimha, because we are invoking his energy, and we are calling upon his blessings and protection and his guidance to go through this uncharted water, uncharted territory. People who want wrong for us, people who just wishing us a downfall, we are invoking Lord Narsimha's energy, and we are literally blocking their intentions to reach out to us. So yeah, write down the sentence: I block every negative intention coming to me. And that's it. I will take leave, but before that, a very important message is that I have no other channel, I have no other account, so I will never ask you for money. And be aware of impersonators. And yeah, so if you stay to this part, please make sure to stay connected. And even if you have subscribed me and you get my videos and you feel like this is not a coincidence to reach the message, but if the message applies to you, if you hear it and everything is applying to you, that means that the message is for you accordingly. So with that, I hope there is no confusion that you are being a part of this family as well. And with that, I will take leave. I hope you take care, and do comment your feelings, how you like the message. That's it. Bye bye.